My previous attempt to do something with this Philips turntable receiver stopped because I don't have any documentation on it. It's in very bad shape and I didn't know where to start. But it's good weather today, so I decided to bring it outside and see if I can at least get it open and find out why it's turning so bad. I don't know what I have to loosen here to remove the cover, but I'll try a few things. It won't be too easy because the power transistors are mounted on this plate. That didn't go too bad, so the turntable removed from the bottom when I did this. The only thing that I did too much is that I had also removed the screws for the transfer. I should have only removed 3 screws for the turntable and that would have been enough. But yeah, you don't know that if you don't have the service manual available. And what we have here is a 50-year-old rubber band. First thing I want to resolve is the bearing here. The table turns very bad, so I'm going to remove the backside here, take care that nothing jumps out, and then I'll try to see why it's turning so bad. I've got the table out and my suspicion is confirmed. The reason why this table turns so bad is because the belt, you can see some remnants here, has been totally glued up and has mixed with the spindle, with the axle, so that's why the table goes so bad. This is how the first tower looks like that I've used to try and clean up the belt, and I think I still have 15 to go. Surprisingly enough, things are cleaning up okay. So I have been able to remove all the gunk I could find. The turntable is okay, the sub-table is okay. I still need to do some cleaning here of all the buttons and all the contacts. But all in all, this is looking better than I have ever thought it would. And I don't know how easy it is to appreciate on video, but this is the difference between the button that I managed to clean up and all the other ones. So the clean button is looking very good. The longer I work on this table, the more satisfied I am that it is going so well. The whole control panel is now cleaned up, very bright, very good. The next thing I'm going to do is place the sub platter again from the other side up, oil it, and then secure it again with the clips and find the belt and test the table. The sub platter is back in its place and the clip is back, so now I need to secure this cap on top of it and put this thing back, and I can mount the table again and start working on the other things. And what a difference, look what's happening. That is perfect. Man, this turbo is going to turn so good. All disclaimer here, this is not how I typically fix a turntable. It's a rubber belt. But this will suffice to see if the table works and if the owner is going to be willing to spend some money on it. I have everything ready. Turn table. Slowly, because there is no damping, lower the armrest and let's see what's happening. Why the boss didn't work well on one of the boxes.
Van bomen die geuren, zie ik in heldere nacht. Terwijl een vlindertje nederdaalt, op jaren zo zacht.